Hey there guys, this is Noah from Northside Mitsubishi and I'm super excited to be showing you our 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Let's get started. So this guy is going to be powered by the wonderful 2.7 liter Ecoboost 6-cylinder that Ford is now famous for, sitting on top of 18-inch two-tone alloyed rim wheels with your double wide tires. Has block heater, remote start from factory, winter mats, and your side steps already added on. Taking a look inside here, you got your power seats, 8-way for the driver with lumbar support, and your electronically controlled pedals, auto one-touch windows, along with an incredibly low mileage for the year, 88,247.1 kilometers on this unit. Turning it over, it's incredible conditioning. Super clean Carfax as well. 2 high, 4 low, along with your trailer backups. This one does have a hitch installed as well already, which we can go through. Touchscreen display, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and full glass panoramic sunroof here, just waiting to hit the spring and summer. You also have your media controls, your single zone climate, but you do have heated seats as well added in. And your Bluetooth audio and cruise controls all available from the steering wheel as well. Taking a look into the rear passenger section, obviously being an F-150 Super Crew, you've got tons of room here, but you also have your jumper seats here, along with your lightning chargers and 400-watt outlet available in the back as well, giving you all types of access for your media needs. Being flex fuel, you do not need premium. However, you do have a backup camera, and you also have your vinyl covered box liner here, ensuring that you're not going to ruin that beautiful paint job that's already in the box. And like I mentioned, you have your wiring harnesses here for your trailer and your hitch already installed, good to go. Taking one last look though, this Sport XLT is ready to go to its new home, or at least on its next test drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call Noah at 780-479-5700. From all of us at Northside Mitsubishi, thank you so much for your time, and hopefully we chat soon. Bye now.